Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to file your BOI report filing. It's pretty simple, pretty straight to the point. What you need to do is you need to go on Google and just put BOI filing, and you're going to click on the first one. Well, normally it should be the first one, but sometimes there are a lot of companies right now who are pushing ads because they probably want to file it for you with a fee. And this is something you can do for yourself, but obviously, if you're going to go to an attorney, you have to pay them for their time. So, but this is something that you can do for free. It doesn't cost you anything, and it should take you less than 10 minutes to do, to be honest. So make sure you are on the FinCEN.gov website. You're not on any.com or any other websites that is not a government website, because there are a lot of them that can be misleading. So make sure you are on the FinCEN.gov website. Once you click on BOI filing, it's gonna take you to this page, and then you're going to click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, it's going to take you to, oh, oops. There you go. It's going to take you to this page. Now, we are doing it online, so don't worry about the first option. So the first option is to, if you're going to do it on paper, but we're going to do it online. It's quick, easy. You don't have to mail anything in. So you're going to click on Prepare and Submit BOIR report, BOIR, and it's going to ask you to agree. You have to select your agree. Once you select that, it's going to take you to this page. Now, this is an initial filing because it's the first time you should be doing this. Now, if you already did it and you made a mistake, this is where you would click on correct prior report. But for right now, we're only doing the initial filing. So we're going to click on initial report. It's automatically going to fill the date for you. So you can't change or remove this date right here. So it's always going to be pre-filled. And once you click on next, it will take you to this page. This is your first time. You can request to receive a FinCEN ID. The cool thing about this one is it's kind of linked to you. So if you have multiple businesses that you need to register, what you can do is I'll show you in the next page where you can enter that number, so you don't have to fill everything out all over again for your other business. So you're gonna put your business name here. If you do have a DBA, you can enter it there. And then for the tax identification number, if you have an LLC registered, you should have an EIN. So you're going to put EIN there. This is not applicable because you are in the United States, so you don't have to worry about that. But this is only for people in the United States. So if you're somewhere else, I don't know. You can probably follow the prompts. It'll probably be easy, but this is solely for people who are in the United States. So then you're going to click here, select the country, the state that the country was formed in. If it's part of a tribe, you can put it here, and you can put the name of the tribe. Your business address, you can put that here. And once you're done, you're going to go to the next. You can click next. Since I have nothing filled out, I'm just going to click on the tabs because it won't let me go next, obviously. Um, so then you're going to click, 1 second. Then you're going to click here if your business was registered prior to January 1st, 2024. And then this is what I was talking about before. If you already have a FinCEN ID from a previous business, you can just put that in. So that will omit you having to fill out all of this information again. So this information is about yourself. So you know that information, your personal information. So if you already submitted one business, you don't have to do it again for the other business. So that's why you have or requesting a FinCEN ID. If you are the benefit, I'm sorry, if you're just applying for a company here and it's not yours, this is where you fill it out. But if you are also doing it for your business and you own the business, this is the beneficiary portion, and you can also put your FinCEN ID there as well. And you don't have to refill all of the information all over again. So that's why it's beneficial. And once you're done, you can just click next, and then you'll submit it. It should literally take you less than 10 minutes to do that. But if you're still not comfortable, if you have any questions, you can always let me know. All right. Thank you.